Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 33 and 34. We're going to be working on the letter N. We have just learned our letter N this week about the baby bird who did not want to fly out of his nest, and he told his mama, mm. All right, and so the lowercase n is going to go in the downstairs. So it is a pull down with a hump under the dotted line. Pull down with a hump. Oh, Miss Hendry bumped her arm, so I messed that up. Let me try again. Ready? Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. Pull down with a hump. All right, our capital N is a pull down, slant right, push up. 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 Good. All right, let's trace the ends down here. Pull down, slant right, push, pull down with a hump. All right, let's flip over on the back. The lowercase n is in the downstairs. Pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump, pull down with a hump. All right, next, your uppercase is in the upstairs and the downstairs. Pull down, slant right, push up. 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 All right. Next, it says circle the pictures that begin with the N sound. All right, first we have a nest. Do you hear the N sound at the beginning of nest? Yes, I'm going to circle that. Then we have a picture of a net. Net. Do you hear the N sound in net? Yes. What about nail? Nail. I do. Then we have a drum. Drum. Do you hear No. What about butterfly? Butterfly. Do you hear the sound? No. What about this lady? She is a nurse. 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 I do. Good. All right, let's look at our last seat work page for today, ABC 123, page 35. It says, look at the letter at the beginning of each row. So these letters right here. All right. And then it says, say the name of each picture and circle the pictures in which you hear the short sound of that vowel. All right, so let's look. A says, ah, 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 ah. All right, so here we have a picture of a at, hat. Did you hear the ah sound in there? Yes, I did, so I'm going to circle it. This is a boy, boy. Did you hear ah in boy? No, so we're not going to circle him. What about ant? Ant. Did you hear ah? Yes. All right. The next sound is the letter E that says eh. So here we have a eh, ol, bell. Did you hear eh in eh, ol? Yes, I did. Good. All right. Next we have a bus. Bus. Do you hear the eh sound in bus? No, I don't either. What about egg? Egg. Do you hear in egg? Egg? Yes. Good. All right, next is the I sound. The first picture is a boy. Do you hear I in boy? No, I don't either. What about in pin? In pin. Do you hear I in in pin? Yes. What about ilk? Ilk. Yes. All right, next we have the ah sound. Ah. All right, ox. box. Did you hear ah and ox? Box. Yes. Next we have a bird. Bird. Do you hear ah and bird? No, I don't either. What about sock? Sock. Do you hear ah and sock? Sock. Yes. Last but not least, we have the letter U that says uh. Now we have a picture of duck. Do you hear and Oops. Yes. Right. Next, we have a picture of a boy. 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 Do you hear and boy? No, I don't either. Next, we have a picture of a cup. Do you hear and Yes. Good. All right, guys. Love you. Hope you have a great day.